Namaste and welcome students. So this is exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. So let's start with the question number 1 where we have given a triangle ABC at B. Okay, and they have given AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find out the value of sine A and cos A. Okay, so see, we know that for sine A and cos A, I know the value of hypotenuse, right? So here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So I will get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AB is how much we have? 24 plus 7 whole square. 24 multiply 24, I'll get 576 plus 49. Okay, so I'll get 625. So the value of AC is equal to 25. So here I can write the value of AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Now see, for sine and cos, you just need the value of perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. And you can see you have all three sides. Okay. So let's start with the sine A. Sine of angle A is equal to what? I can write side opposite of angle A by hypotenuse. अब आप ये देखो, this is my angle A. Okay? इसका opposite side क्या है? 7. This is the opposite side. Sine में हमेशा हम लोग consider करते हैं opposite side. So we will write that is BC by hypotenuse AC. Now you can put the values. That is 7 by 25. Okay, moving on to the next one, that is cos A. Cos A, we have adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. Now see, adjacent means this one. Okay, for this angle, this is the adjacent. So here I can write AB by hypotenuse, we have AC. Now I can put the value, that is 24 by 25. Okay, and see, if I change the angle, perpendicular and base will also change. Okay, same in this case. Now see, before we have an angle of angle A. Okay, this time we have to consider angle C. Now see, for this angle, opposite side will change. So this will be the opposite side, AB. Okay, and adjacent side will be BC. Okay, so here we have, just now we have found, right, AC. So AC we have 25 centimeter. So sine C is equal to, you have to write, okay, sine C means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. For angle C, opposite side is what? AB by AC. That is 24 by 25. Okay, for cos C, in cos, always you have to check adjacent side. Adjacent is what? BC. BC by AC, that is 7 by 25. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. There we have tan P minus cot R they have given. Okay. So here, this is the figure we have triangle PQR at P. Now see, for tan P and cot R, whether you need hypotenuse? No, right? Because इनमें तो hypotenuse आता ही नहीं है. But we need to find out this side also. Because for tan and cot, I should know perpendicular as well as base. Okay. So again we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. And I will get, here I can write PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. This side I'll get 13 square plus is equal to PQ, I have 12 square plus QR square. Okay, 13 square is equal to 169. This side 144 is equal to, sorry, plus QR square. ये वहाँ पे जाएगा. It becomes 169 minus 144 is equal to QR square. I'll get 25 QR square. Okay, so now I have the value of QR, that is 25. Now please, you can put it here. 25 I have. Now see, for tan and cot, I should know perpendicular and base. Now I have, okay. Now here I can write 10p. 10p means this one, this angle, okay. For 10p, what I have to write here? Side opposite of angle P, okay, by, this is angle P, by side adjacent to angle P. So for this angle, this is the opposite one. So here I can write QR by, adjacent will be for this angle PQ. Okay, so here I can write PQ. QR 25 by 12. Okay. Moving on to the cot R I want. So cot R is equal to what? And I have already told you cot is a reciprocal of 10. Okay. So here directly I can write that side adjacent to angle R by side opposite to angle R. Only angle will change. Okay. Everything will remain same. Now see, this is cot R. This is R angle. Okay. Now see, adjacent side. For this angle, this is the adjacent side. So here I can write QR by PQ. Now please put the value. Okay. Now the main question is what? 10p minus cot R, and we have all the values. 10p also I have and cot R also I have. Just put it here. You will get 10p minus cot R, right? 10p minus cot R, that is 25 minus 12. So by 12 and 25 minus 12, you will get 0. Okay. So this is the question number 2 of exercise 8.1. So this is question number 3, where they have given the value of sine A. Okay. That is 3 by 4. We have to find out the value of cos A and tan A. So here we have a diagram, okay, where triangle ABC at B and hypotenuse and this perpendicular I have given. Now see, sine A means what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So see, for this angle, this will be my opposite side and this is the hypotenuse. For this angle, AB will be my adjacent side. Okay, so I have 4 and 3. Now see, what I want to know. I want to find out the value of cos and tan. For that, I need to find out the value of AB. So with the help of Pythagoras theorem, I can find out the value of AB. That is root 7. Okay. Now see, cos A means this angle. For this angle, this will be the adjacent side and this will be the opposite side. Okay. Now see, adjacent side, that is AB by hypotenuse, that is AC. Okay. AB value just now we have found out, that is root 7 by 4. Okay. Now for the tan A means what? Opposite side. Angle A we have mentioned, right? So for this angle, this is the opposite side. So here I can write BC by adjacent side, that is AB. Now we can plot the value, that is BC, how much we have? 3 by AB, that is root 7. Okay, I hope आपको ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 समझ में आया होगा. मूविंग ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, दैट इज 15 cot A is equal to 8. We have to find out the value of sine A and sec A. Okay, let's start. So first we simplify this. We have cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Okay, now see, we very well know that what is cot? Cot is a reciprocal of tan. And what is tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. So here I can write adjacent side to angle AB you can write, okay, and this side opposite side to angle A. Now see, this is the angle A, right? For this, which is the adjacent side? AB, correct? So I can write AB, this is the adjacent side, and for this angle, which is the opposite side, that is BC. Okay, now see, the value of AB and BC I have, okay, that is AB I have 8, okay, and BC I have 15. Now we need to find out the value of AC. Why? Because I want to find out sine, and I know what is sine. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse I should know. Okay. So we apply Pythagoras theorem. This side I will get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, 8 square plus 15 square, 64 plus 2 to 5. Okay, this side I will get this one 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 2 8, 289. Okay, so the value of AC is equal to, I will get root 8289. So AC is equal to root 8289. I will get 17 here. Okay, so I have the hypotenuse also. Now what we have to find out, the value of sine A and sec A. Sine A I know, that is opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. And what is sec A? Sec A means h by, sec is a reciprocal of cos, okay, and cos is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Just make it reverse. Here I'll get hypotenuse by adjacent side to angle A, because we're talking about angle A, right? So here I can write the values. For this, opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, so here I can plot the values, that is 15 by 17. 15 by 17. Okay, now see, hypotenuse is AC, adjacent side, that is AB. Now please put the values. I'll get 8 hypotenuse, right? So 17 by 8. So this is the question number 4. Now moving on to the question number 5. Here we have the value of sec theta. Okay, theta, suppose this is a let ABC triangle, let B. Okay, आप theta किसी को भी assume कर सकते हो. It could be this one or here also. Okay, answer will remain same. Now see, sec theta means what? Sec theta, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Correct? Okay, now see, if I assume this is my angle theta, okay, so hypotenuse will be this one only always, AC by adjacent side. For this angle, this will be the adjacent side. So here I have the value of AB. Now see, 13 by 12. 13, and I have this value also. Now see, what I have to find out, the all trigonometric ratios, means sine, cos, sec, tan, everything. Okay, total we have 6. For this I need to know the value of perpendicular also. So here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. I'll get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, that is 13 square is equal to 12 square plus BC square. So 169 minus 144 is equal to BC square. Okay, so here I'll get 25 is equal to BC square. So value of BC I'll get. Okay, so here I'll plot. Now see, I want the value of all trigonometric functions. We start. Okay, so sine A. Sine means, for this is the angle opposite side BC by hypotenuse, that is AC. So my answer will be 5 by 13. Cos A. Theta we have taken, right? So theta we can write this side. Cos theta means adjacent, that is AB by hypotenuse, AC. So here I can write 12 by 13. Now see, tan theta. Okay, tan theta is what? Opposite side by adjacent side. So here I can write BC by AB, that is 5 by 12. Okay, now see, now we will write cot theta, and cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. So I can write AB by BC. So the value will also reverse 12. Now see, sec theta. Sec theta, okay, sec theta is already we have. You can check it also this side. AC by AB, that is 13 by 12. That only they have given in the question. Okay, the last one we have cosec theta. And see, cosec theta is a reciprocal of sine theta. So here I can write AC by BC, that is 13 by 5. Okay, so this is the question number 5 of exercise 8.1. I hope you get it. Okay, any doubt, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.